King of Passion.
Montego Bay photographer. He really worked with us, King of Passion, helped us feel comfortable, and he's gonna make us look gorgeous.
Okay, it was so much fun shooting with the King of Photography. I mean, it was so much fun shooting with the King of Passion. He was amazing, he's creative, he's patient, and they don't call him the King of Passion for nothing.
It was so much fun working with the King of Passion. He was very patient with us. There was a lot of women. We took a lot of time, but he was very good. Thank you, King of Passion.
It was a great photo shoot. We went through wardrobe changes and the patience was uncanny. Thank you, King of Passion.
Excellent job. We enjoyed ourselves. You made it very enjoyable. We had a great time. We did have an opportunity to change clothing, different scenes. Thank you.
Big up to King of Passion, the best photographer in Jamaica. We had an awesome photo shoot. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your creativeness. I can't wait to tell all my friends back in Brooklyn about you. Buck.
King of Passion, thank you so much. And whenever I'm in Jamaica, Montego Bay, I will look up the King of Passion. Big up to the King of Passion.
Yeah, Montego Bay Photographer.com.